Today I'm going to answer a very important question which is asked by so many people, colleagues, relatives. The question is, how do I manage my time, my family, and who support me in traveling in terms of finances? Honestly speaking, I have no idea how it's being managed. Perhaps it's because of I love what I do, and second thing is the family support is huge. Without their support, it's impossible to manage my time. Whenever I want to do something, I do, and they don't question. They trust me. Because of their trust, their valuable time, their valuable sacrifices made me do what I do. Because of their support, I travel a lot. Traveling has become part of my business. Traveling has become my passion. As most of you know that I want to finish my world tour by 2020. That was started as a passion, and now it's become part of my profession. So what else do you need from nature? Almighty has been so kind. So He made my passion my profession. And who funds it? Who funds it? Trust me, it's because of my parents' prayers, support of my family. There is a supreme power, Almighty God. He supports me in terms of finances. He manages everything. I have no idea how it's being run, how it's being handled. He is doing everything. I'm just enjoying it. I'm just a worker for Him. I'm trying my best to bring peace and harmony in this beautiful world with my little positive words. That's it. I'm nothing, and I will remain nothing. What I can do is everything is given by Almighty, and after that He's giving me respect in return. I know this is not clear answer for you, but this is what I have got for you. With that, do you want to live longer? Live for people. Stay safe, stay healthy.